Hello, and welcome to our presentation of Clueless, our implementation of the popular game Clue. We are Amir Abdeldayem, Heather Nagy, and Rahman Orededi. We are employees of Cyberdyne Systems. This implementation was completed as part of the coursework for a software engineering course at Johns Hopkins University. Let's get started. This first slide is the main menu of the game. This is where the user's first interaction with the game will be. The user will have four options: playing a new game, which will start a new local instance of the Clueless game against the computer; playing online, which will allow the user to interact and play with other users in the online game lobby; preferences, which will allow users to make changes to suit his or her gaming experience; and exiting the game, which will of course exit the game. When the user selects the new game option, they will be taken to a character selection screen. The user will select which character they would like to play as. There are 6 players in this game. In the event that the user is playing this game locally, the remaining 5 players will be the computer. Here, we see the layout of the game while in play, including the game board. Only 3 cards will be distributed to each game player. Players can only view their own cards. Players can take notes. Notes are displayed on the leftmost part of the game board. The game status is displayed at the bottom right of the screen. Users can also receive notifications from other users at the top right of the screen. Here are the actions that a user can make. To move on the board, the user will click on the footprints. To make a suggestion, the user will click on the comment icon. To disapprove a suggestion, the user will click on the error icon. To make an accusation, a user will click on the pointing hand. This slide is simulating the accusation action. Here, we can select a person who we want to accuse, the weapon they used, and then the location in which that action was committed. Here we can see that someone chose Professor Plum, who used the rope in the billiard room to commit an action, and that the accusation was correct. That concludes our presentation. Watch out for our final version this August.